Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be just vlogging, walking around. But I'm sorry if y'all hear the dogs barking. We're walking through the yard, and there's some cows near this fence. I'm gonna see if I can touch one. Oh, Mr. Dog! Alright, look y'all. There's literally some cows. There's literally cows.
Oh, that's a bull, bro.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, buddy. Yo, he's freaking coming. He's coming. Come here, buddy.
Robert, that's a bull.
Come here, buddy. I don't care. I just want to touch it. Come here, boy. Come here, buddy. Give it this. Give it the leash. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Yo. Do y'all see how many cows there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 cows. Oh, one's coming, one's coming. Oh, he ate the thing I gave him. Come here, buddy. Yo, what if I can touch it with you? I can touch it, I can touch it, I can touch it. Guys, if... Oh, yo. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. I just want to touch you. Yo, I touched it. Did y'all see that? Let me see. I'm going to give it to him.
No, I got it.
Yo, there's another baby one right here. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna come and touch this one over here. Yo, this one's not scared. Oh! Look, guys. Oh, freak. He scared me. Oh, yo, he's gonna come over the fence. Alright, bro. I won't mess with you no more. I just had to get some shots. Yo, I'm scared of that one. Alright, I'm gonna try to get back on this thing right here. And I'm gonna try to touch another one. Oh, there we go. Come here, buddy. Say what's up to the vlogs. Say what's up to the vlogs, Mr. Cow. You be like, moo, moo, moo. That cow's doing his business. This one, the baby one.
No, give me that.
Yo, guys. I'm touching it. Hey, buddy. Did y'all see that?
This bull. Totally get that.
Stupid branch. Alright, I'm going to touch that other one I was touching earlier. The one that I'm scared of. I'm going to face my fears. Because he's not scared, so I'm not going to be scared, guys. Yo. Chill out. Dog, move, bruh. I just want to touch your face. Look. Say what's up to the vlog, shawty. Are you a girl or a boy? Say girl or a boy. Come here, buddy. Here, can you eat sticks? Wait, does cows eat sticks? Does cows eat sticks? Oh. Alright, Fee, I was touching the cows. And I'm recording a video. He has his shoes on! Yo, the bulls are fighting, they're fighting. Come on. They're actually fighting, guys. Guys, they're actually fighting. Down! Just come on! Run! Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Peace.